Hey Tech Squad, looking for the perfect laptop in 2025? Whether you're gaming, working, or just browsing, we've got the ultimate guide to the best laptops out there. This is GadInsider, your go-to for tech that slaps. Let's dive in. Imagine a laptop that lasts all day, powers through your workload, or crushes your favorite games without breaking the bank. Kicking things off, the best laptop for most people in 2025 is the Asus ZenBook 14 OLED Touch. 14-inch OLED screen, nearly 20 hours of battery life, and a zippy AMD processor at under $1,000. It's perfect for students, pros, or anyone who wants premium without the price tag. From binge watching to multitasking, this ultra-portable handles it all. Weighing just 2.8 pounds, it's your go-to for campus or coffee shops. Drop ZenBook vibes in the comments if this is your pick. On a budget? No problem. The Acer Inspire 3's top budget Windows laptop, often under $300. With a 17-hour battery and snappy AMD Ryzen performance, it's ideal for web browsing, schoolwork, or light work. Need something even lighter? The Asus Chromebook Plus CX34 at $399 rocks an Intel Core i5 AI tools and a sturdy design for Chrome OS fans. These are steals for students or anyone keeping it frugal. Which one's your style? Windows or Chromebook? Let us know below. Gamers, this one's for you. The Lenovo Legion Pro 5i Gen 9 is top gaming laptop for most, balancing price and power with an Intel Core i9 and NVIDIA RTX 4080. It's a beast for AAA games, starting at around $1,200. Creators, the Asus ProArt P16 is a dream. OLED display and pro-grade performance for video editing or design. Whether you're fragging or crafting, these laptops deliver. Gamers or creators in the house? Shout it out in the comments. For work, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 Aura Edition steals the show with its ultra-light 2.17-pound design. Epic keyboard and 14-inch OLED. Need a big screen? The LG Gram Pro 17 is a 3.2-pound giant with a 17-inch display and 17-hour battery. Perfect for pros who want it all. That's your 2025 laptop lineup. From budget bangers to pro-level powerhouses. Love these picks? Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and join the GadInsider crew. Tell us, what's your dream laptop? Comment below, and we'll catch you in the next one.